DFA for language L is equals to 0, 1 and 1, 1. So we start with Q0 state 0 and Q0 to Q1 we make a transition for 0 because we want a transition 0. So Q1 will also be a final state and we want a state in which we have transition for 1. So we make another transition from Q0 to another state Q2 which will give transition for 1. So it will also be a final state. Now we want transition for 1, 1. So we make a transition from Q2 to Q3. So we will get transition for 1. So Q3 will also be a final state. Because in this language only we have 3 strings, so we are getting 3 transitions from Q0 to Q1 0, from Q0 to Q2 1 and from Q2 to Q3 1. Because alphabet is 0, 1, so from each state we can make one transition for 0, 1, but because in this language because we have transition for only 0, 1 and 1, 1, so rest string will not come under this DFA. So what will have, so if we make a transition from Q1 for 0, 1, and so it will be a dead state because this transition will not come under this language. So in the same way, if we do transition for 0 from Q2, so it will also come into the dead state, and if we do transition from Q3 for any 0 or 1, it will come into the dead state. This is the DFA. From Q0 0, 1 is possible, from Q1 0, 1 not possible, from Q2 only 1 possible, 0 not possible, and from Q3 0, 1 not possible. So they all belongs to dead state. Now if a language is empty, then what will be the DFA? We will make like this: Q0 as initial state and Q0 as final state, and whatever we will give for the same alphabet 0, 1, it will reach to the dead state. This is called dead state. And next, language of word. With length, with even length. So how we will make DFA for this? Initial state, we start with initial state Q0 and alphabet is same 0, 1. So we can give any 0 or 1, we are defining with comma 0 or 1. We can move from Q0 to Q1 either 0 or 1, and we can also move from Q1 0 or 1. So because we need even length, so we will make it as a final state, Q0 as a final state, initial state as a final state.